This video is entitled WinTRF Spreadsheet Interface. The WinTRF Spreadsheet Interface is another of the external programs that gives users the tools needed to interface estimate reports with spreadsheets. The WinTRF Spreadsheet Interface is launched from Start, Programs, Certain Software, just like the rest of them, and we go down and we find the WinTRF Spreadsheet Interface. When the spreadsheet interface is displayed, it comes up in a wizard format with instructions on each page on what to do. The first thing to do is to find the estimate that we want to send to the spreadsheet. Now we locate it on the screen and we just click OK. The program selects it and then we click Continue, and we have our breakout chart, which is the same as the breakout chart that we have when we print a job. When we have the item selected that we want to select, we just click on Choose Print Format. The program creates the work files and displays the spreadsheet formats that are available. All the different formats are you can print each one individually. The estimate recap is the same as the one that we showed when we were showing the report printing inside the WinTRF program. These programs will only interface with Excel, won't interface with any other spreadsheet type program. Many of the other spreadsheet programs have Excel emulation mode so that you can send things out in that mode. But that'll be something that will have to be addressed individually. So this is the same spreadsheet that we showed earlier, and it will print a material list, which is very useful for doing purchase orders and project management type tasks. Here's the whole project exported as a material list. All the material is consolidated and grouped together so that we have just one total for every item. So we'll click that, close that. This other recap sheet that we have here, this last one, is the same as the first recap sheet, except everything is on one page. Instead of being on separate worksheets, everything is on an individual, one single page, and you just would browse on each page to find all the information. The parts by breakout is a very powerful report for scheduling tasks, things of that nature. Everything is the whole estimate, all the breakouts in an estimate are exported as individual worksheets within one workbook. This may take a while if I had a lot of different breakouts. The first page shows me the totals, no, I'm not on the first page. The first page shows me all the breakouts and their totals, total material and total labor. Then we have a spreadsheet that is capable of being imported into some scheduling programs. Then we have each of the breakouts broken down individually, and you can see the title of the breakout at the top of the screen. So each breakout, individual breakouts. And the last one is parts by account code. We launched Excel, and this one will print a worksheet, an account code worksheet for each account code, and it will all be grouped together in one workbook. The first page of the workbook will show me all the account code totals. Then we have the interface that's able to be used by some scheduling programs. Then we have each page, each of the account codes. All the information is grouped together. Very simple, very easy to use. That concludes the WinTRF spreadsheet interface.